Hello viewers, hope everybody is doing well. Today I want to show you about the sunconure. Which kind of birds they are. Because the sunconures, they are very loud voices they have, and every neighbor listens. They're screaming and shouting. Sometimes during my walking time, I go outside and my neighbor told me that they are listening in the morning time his voice. If I tell him to be quiet, and one time outside the person was working and he just saw him and screaming and shouting. Conure birds are very beautiful and colorful birds. The conure have lot of colors, feathers, yellow, orange, and green, and blue. Their feathers are very colorful. And the wahiba in the morning time come from his cage and go outside the cage, and he ate apple, and he poop outside. He never poop inside the cage. He always poop outside. That's very good. That's why his cage is clean. I just take out the papers and I put new papers. And sometimes he likes to sit down inside this box. I change box, the napkins box when empty, I put it for him, and he sit down inside and he sleep inside in the box. And I change. When I saw the box is going wet, and I change and I put another box. I want to tell you that he liked to play with toys, these toys, and here is one, and he liked to play with it. And when I spray him with water, he like, and he feel comfortable, and he feels better. The conure always like attentions and talking with them. They love everyone, and they sleep well at night. They need for 7 hours sleeping. At daytime also sometimes he take the nap, and he loves when we are talking and sitting in the family room, and he listen our laugh, and he act like that, and he laughing too. And they are very funny and very smart. He like to eat peanuts and walnuts, and he like to the fruits. He like grapes and apples. But Wahiba did not like the vegetables. Mostly he don't like it. I put so many times, but he don't like it. He like peanuts, and he has some inside this different kind of beans, and he like to eat that one. Hope you like this video, because I told you about the sunconure birds. Take care and bye. See you. Bye bye.